see me. I was hiding. You couldn't see me. We're vlogging. It's YouTube. What's up? It's 2017. Times are good. Hug your parents. Kiss a dog. What's up, guys? We're in Henry Clay. This is for the vlog. You want a picture?
Yeah, get in the middle. Yeah, I'll get it. No, it's
Get
not
this for the
different.
vlog.
Can I see it?
We like the vlog.
Can I not see it?
Welcome to my vlog.
Wandering around.
Maybe iOS vlog. I don't know.
One more.
This is
One
for.
more.
We're gonna vlog so good. I'm still on camera. Get yourself on camera.
Yeah. Yeah, alright, we're just vlogging here. Got the
Vlogging.
dual cam set up.
iOS got the
See what I'm
dual
seeing all the
cam.
time, but you can also
Two
see me
cams.
vlogging.
Two cams.
Alright, let's get it.
Alex out here, blackout.
Yeah.
Alex only likes black girls.
Nerd's tripping into me. I don't know what he's doing.
Your foaming badass! Yeah! Yeah!
Hey, where'd Robert go?
Robert, we're vlogging today because we lost our
Yeah, no,
dear
we're out
friend.
here. We've lost Robbie. We gotta go
He's
find
gone.
him.
He's gone
Lost
forever,
our dear
probably.
friend Robbie.
We
So
may
we're
not
gonna hunt
find
him
him.
down.
We may
Yeah.
die in the process.
Not find him ever.
Say it one more time.
Hey, Robbie's upstairs?
Robbie's upstairs.
Robbie's upstairs.
We're gonna find
Let's
Robbie.
go.
A clue. So Robert could be up here anyway.
Okay, I just got a text from Robbie saying, "Where are you guys?" But I'm not gonna respond. Can you get a shot of me vlogging, please? I'm vlogging right now.
Yeah, just checking out all
Oh,
these
that was
trophies.
girls. This is girls. You boys.
Checking out all these trophies I won
That's
myself.
boys.
They know.
I won these.
Hey, we found Robbie.
Hell yeah.
We
We ended up finding him. Damn.
Did you guys lose any more boys?
Damn, by Kendrick Lamar, we found him.
We left some people. Yeah, they left.
Hey, alright, so I think the vlog's over now. Let's go,
I am.
let's find something else to do.
I'm a genderqueer
Yeah.
unicorn fascist.
We're vlogging, day
into the
2
vlogs.
vlogging of my vlog for Logston. My Vlogston.
Vlogston. What up, Lisette? How you doing, girl? That's good.
You're in there, boy.
She's got a boyfriend.
Is it you? Okay, we're going landscape today, switching things up, taking up the whole screen. What do you think about vlogs?
I hate vlogs. They suck.
I hate them very much. I think they're pointless.
They're pretty cool.
Hey, man.
Hey, dude.
What do you think about vlogs?
Vlogs?
Yeah.
You working for that son of a Casey Neistat? You tell that vlogs, I'll skin his face. I'll skin his face. You're done, Casey. Get out of here.
Yeah, me too.
They're stinky.
I think they're dumb and stupid and extra stupid.
Hey, what do you think about vlogs, buddy?
God created himself.
Later. Stuck if you want to be stuck.
Okay, sweet. That's how you do it. That's how it's done. God! Get the fuck.
Hey, took the picture, bruh. Thanks.
Where's Robbie at?
Oh my god. Hi, Swanson.
Yeah.
It's crazy because that's first.
I am. I'm trying to get it right. I'm trying to get the rock in your hand. What do you mean I'm not?
It's about elevation, though, isn't it?
Zach is getting real shy now.
It's the vlog. What's up, YouTube? God worshiper here. And you can see God is crying. It's because of all you vlogs that wear foxtails to school. That's why God's crying. Anyway, how's your day been, YouTube? Cut the ball. You guys remember art? Hey, I got a secret, YouTube. I got a secret. Guys, these are my trophies, all my trophies. This is all of them. There's lots of trophies. There's trophies plural. I won the ball myself. Yeah, it was pretty difficult. It was pretty hard. I can't do this, guys. I can't. I didn't win any of these trophies. I can't lie. God didn't want me to lie. God didn't create me so I could lie. God created me so I could cut the ball. What's up, YouTube? It's the vlog. What's up? It's the vlog. We're here. This is my boy Drew Kennedy. It's my boyfriend. It's my number one vlog buddy. All right.
Hey, you don't have to be embarrassed, bro.
It's the vlog. Cut the vlog.
In this tape.
I gotta ask you a question first.
What you ask?
Alright, you believe in God?
Yeah.
Alright,
Look now. Get in this tape. You believe in God, don't you?
Yeah.
You going on the news?
You want in?
Come here. Picture. Yeah, we going on the news, G.
Alright.
News.
Handle that.
Easy. You trying to get in this, E? She's smoking, ain't she? Where's my baby
You
Garvey?
can get into if you want.
What is it for? If you believe in
It's a
God.
picture.
If you believe in God, what you believe in Buddha?
What do you know?
It's one God, man. One God.
That's what I'm saying. I believe in God. Amen. The camera died?
I'm focusing it, don't worry.
The camera died?
You got the picture?
Hold up.
You didn't get it.
Yeah, it's slightly out of focus.
You want in on this? What? You want in on this?
Can I get in?
You still
Want a picture just together? What? Want a picture of just us together?
Oh yeah, I can get a picture. I'm going back.
Yeah, you already took the picture of us, didn't you?
Yeah, we already.
Yeah.
Hey, isn't your name Tag?
Yeah.
We were in 5th grade together.
What?
Yeah, Jonathan.
Oh.
That's what it's all about, YouTube.
Connections. Connections, baby.
That's what it's all about.
You got the yellow.
Cut the vlog. It's healthy vlog.